Hi, hello everyone. Let's start our next point, next topic. Nothing but enzymes only. Enzymes are nothing but proteins only. Proteins are nothing but enzymes only here. Next one is then enzymes are biological catalyst only. Enzymes are called as a biological catalyst. Catalyst means what do you mean catalyst? Is any substance which enhance the rate of reaction, which is any enhance the rate of reaction without take part in a chemical reaction. Plain this is called catalyst only. Generally, enzymes are globular proteins, like cyclic structure will come here. Generally, enzymes are the globular proteins only. The amino acid already discussed now. General enzymes are globular proteins only. Enzymes are highly specific in nature. A particular enzyme can do the particular chemical reactions only. Generally, enzymes are activates the rate the enzymes speed up the chemical reaction without take part in chemical reaction only. General enzymes are never initiate the chemical reaction. They make the chemical reaction easier way by decreasing of the activation energy only. Let's say enzyme based on specific actions, enzymes are classified nothing but a maltase enzyme which convert maltase to glucose only. Invertase enzyme, inversion of sugar is there no, which converts sugars to inversion process nothing but invertase enzyme is there. Urease enzyme, generally urease is the enzyme is there no, which is the performed catalyst hydrolase of the urosome. Catalytic hydrolase of the urea. Okay. Next one oxidoreductase. This is called oxidoreductase. But these are enzymes which oxidizes the one particular substances and continuously simultaneously reduces some other substances called as the oxidoreductase. Okay, they are oxidoreductase. Next one, the enzymes are the group of catalyst function is there. Enzymes are a group of catalyst functioning in a biological system only. Generally, enzymes are in a biological system. The enzymes are generally biological catalyst only. Here, next one, they are usually proteinous substances produced by the living cell only, without themselves getting affected only. Generally, they are protease substance only. Enzymes enhance the rate of reaction and formed in the cell under the instruction of the genes only. General genes they give some information. That information performed by the enzymes only. Okay. Next, coming to the most important points are there no. Enzymes are accelerate the reaction but not initiate the rate of reaction. Very very important. Enzymes make the reaction make speed up, but they never initiate the chemical reaction only. Next one is the during the chemical reaction, what happens during any change is the enzymes are unchanged. Enzymes are unchanged only. Small amount of enzymes can be used. Small amount only it can be used only. Next one is that here the molecular general enzymes will act a specific site only. Enzymes are react with specific. Enzymes are highly specific in nature. Particular enzyme can perform the only particular chemical reactions only. Okay. Next one is amphoteric nature. Generally, enzymes are most of the enzymes are amphoteric nature. They have the both acidic nature and basic nature only. Amino acids having the deuterion nature only. Deuterions only. Let's look at the some important one. Is look at here. Look at just consider deuterion. Deuterion means just imagine here. This one amino acid carbon, hydrogen, glycine is glycine. COH group of COH. Whenever hydrogen is shifted from here to here is there no. That could be what happened. They just consider here it containing of two charges there. One is a positive charge, one is the negative charge. It's called deuterion only. Deuterion. When it's this one is forms when you add small amount of acid. When you add small amount of base is there no. That is formed like this one. It forms like that one. So what I mean there here this can look at here. Just imagine here. If suppose if we add X amount of bases, if we add bases there no, this amino acid there no anionic amino acid moves towards the anode only. Anionic amino acid move toward anode. Just imagine positive side is there is cationic amino acid moves towards the cathode only. This amino acid is cannot move towards either anode or cathode. This is called as a isoelectric point. Just isoelectric point. At whatever particular pH, the amino acids are cannot move either the cathode and anode. This is known as a isoelectric point only. This is a very very important point for the amino acids. General amino acids are there having the two charges called deuterions. Deuterions are there. How the deuterions are happen means when you add, look at I'm taking one is the one proton is shifted from here to here. When you add the base, if you add the base, what happens? There is just imagine if you add the base, the proton will be extracted. Proton is extracted. This one is moves toward the anode only. When you add some acid, what happens? Proton will be extra protons will be there. What happens? Moves towards the cathode only, negative charge only. At particular pH, the amino acids cannot migrate either positive electron or negative electron. Is known as deuterion only. Is known as deuterion. Look at the specificity nature. Most of the enzymes are specific in nature in their action only. A single enzyme can act upon a single substrate only, or a group of the close related substance only. For example, here enzyme urease can act only urea. Okay, no? Inversion sugar, invertase nothing but it acts as sugar only. Plays a particular enzyme can act particular only. Generally slight changes in the conformation of the substance molecule require for action of different enzymes only. Generally here the one important point, enzyme is temperature sensitive only, because the most of the enzymes what they perform the chemical reaction in body at particular temperature only. More than the particular temperature, the enzymes are inactive only. Inactive is called denaturation because of the breakdown only. Next one is the pH sensitive also. Most of the enzymes are specific to pH only. Look at some of I want to say here, whenever your body pH value changes, the enzyme activity will be changes only. Most of the enzymes are specific at particular pH value and remaining active with a particular range of pH only. Generally, most of the enzymes are performed in the pH at neutral pH only. Because if it just imagine this one is the energy, this one is the reaction progress only. Suppose this chemical reaction takes place this path. Because of this path, the reaction will be complete. If we add the enzymes are there, no, this energy difference is called activation energy. This activation energy decreases before the reaction will proceeds. But enzymes are decrease the activation energy, it makes the reaction easiest way. Less than initial energy is account for the chemical reaction or final energy one. Clear is there? No. Next point I discuss about enzymes are specific nature is there. Look at the discuss the substrate. Substrate means where the chemical reaction takes place. That part is called substrate only. This is called enzyme. Just imagine here the active site only, substrate only. Here the substrate only. Generally bonding together, they form one complex only. Clear? This one the enzyme, this is substrate only. Look at the how the substrate structure is then key and lock mechanism only. Particular key will function on particular lock only. Clear is like that only. Here the bottom there it's called active site only. The substrate molecule come and approach enzyme active site, they form a complex. When it comes bottom in there, the breakdown will be takes place only and they form a new enzyme. Okay, enzyme again enzyme same will come here, the product will come here. The product will be come. Once again I'm saying here this substrate contain one active site. Here also active site is there, also active site is there. Exactly same structure is there. No? It come and will join is there. When enzymes what happens, it makes chemical reaction possible in the substrate become to the product will be leaves the reactant side again, enzymes are again. That's the reason why here during the chemical reactions are enzymes the properties are never changes. Enzymes will be the remaining same only. General enzymes are two types. One is activated, which makes chemical reaction more possible, and inhibit, which makes the chemical reaction not possible. Suppose look at here, this is the enzyme, this substrate molecule. Look at how the structure is there exactly to come and fit here. What happens? It is called activate site. Whenever the look at substrate come and fit here, it convert into product. Suppose if I add inhibitor is there, inhibitor, look at the similar structure will be there, no? Shape will be there. But the substrate is inhibitor. Inhibitor will go and will act the enzyme site only. You take some tablets, suppose just imagine here, X amount of hormones are releases in the radius only. To decrease that one, they will add some tablets on. The tablet what means they will be do this process only. When they will go for the enzyme active site, they will be inhibit the function of the substrate only. This is regarding the enzymes only.